Today we have installed the Toyota Tacoma front camera LockPick. This is a 2023 TRD Tacoma model. This model already has factory backup camera, but it does not have the front camera. So we have the TRD grill. Here we have installed our eyeball camera that fits perfectly where the OEM front camera would be installed. So this is a very clean installation. As you can see, it's a beautiful truck, beautiful color. And then now we added this very important function. Our LockPick, Tacoma LockPick, will allow you to do to view the front camera either automatically or on demand. So we're going to show you how to program this LockPick first. Okay, so in order for the LockPick to function, we have to program the steering wheel control. So we're going to go through steps right now. Okay, so right now we're going to hold the C cup button for 10 seconds. We usually have the interface, the LockPick interface here, so we can see the LED. Once you push this button for 10 seconds, and the LED will light up. But anyway, we already installed the LockPick behind the radio. So we're going to hold this button for 10 seconds. So we're going to count. So you have to do this procedure before the LockPick can function in this on this Tacoma model. Okay, so we're going to hold that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So since we can't see the LED, it should be about time that the LockPick already register and learn that we're in the Tacoma model. So it learned the steering wheel controls. So now we're going to push this button 4 times to test that the LockPick is already programmed. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go, the LockPick is programmed. So right now we're viewing the front camera. So now we're going to go up. Now we're viewing the we're viewing the backup camera. Now we're viewing the front camera. We'll go back and we're viewing the rear cam. We'll go up, seek up, and we're viewing the front cam. Or you can scroll through here just simply by pushing the same button. Down, 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 down. It'll scroll through both cameras. Very simple. Or up, up, up. It'll scroll to the rear cam and the front cam. Okay. So you can see this method works perfectly using the steering wheel controls. This is a special design. This is an electronic interface. The next function we're going to program is the so we're going to shut it off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Turn it on again. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, it's very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the manual mode. Now we're going to program the automatic mode. So we're going to hold this button, the phone button, for 10 seconds again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now the auto front camera should be programmed. Okay, so we're going to go reverse and then drive. There you go. We're in drive, and the Toyota Tacoma LockPick is already programmed for automatic front cam. Now we can't move, obviously, but we shut off the automatic front cam at 10 miles per hour. Okay, this is a very important function. So you can scroll through different cameras in motion too. Okay, so you're in drive now. We can scroll through them. We can scroll through the rear cam or the front cam. It doesn't matter what gear you're in. Okay, now if you want to shut off the automatic function again, we press and hold the same phone button again. In a moment, the screen should disappear. The front camera image should disappear. There you go. The automatic front camera function is completely turned off. Okay. Rear cam on, front cam is off. Auto front cam is completely off. We're in drive. So that's how simple it is. Now we added also the Toyota button to control it manually here. So we go front, rear, neutral, front, neutral, rear. The LockPick has both functions programmed to it, so we can control it with the switch. Okay, this is a special button the Toyotas has and some models. We use the same button and we program it into LockPick to register, and then you can also control it through here as a shortcut. You can use this button as a shortcut, or you can do it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple. Use the seek up for front cam, seek down for rear cam. Shut it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Now we're going to show you the kit that we actually install on this Toyota Tacoma. Okay. Okay, we have the LockPick box here, shipping box, and there we have the Toyota Tacoma LockPick module. This is the module, electronic module that controls the automatic functions of this truck and the steering wheel controls. And then we have the plug and play harness, and then we have the switch here. Okay, special switch for rear and front cam. And then we have the eyeball camera here. Okay, this is the actual eyeball camera that we have installed on this truck. So everything works perfectly. All our units are 100% plug and play. No wires to splice or cut. This installation can be done in less than a half hour.